Damn, I'm hella bored. Wonder what Stacy's up to.
Oh right, she's in Cancun with her boyfriend. I totally forgot. Dude, this is getting depressing. I'm out of here.
The lid smells like mochi. What's up guys, it's Kiana and today I have a really fun video, and I say that about every single video, but this one in particular is fun. It is just fun. So I'm just going to be showing you guys 5 different things that you can do to kind of cure your boredom, just like random things that you can do to have fun, and I think this one turned out really cute. Filming this video was super fun, and thank you so much Destiny for helping me out with this one. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just hop into it. I eat 24/7, so trying out new food places is a must. Guys, we just demolished our food, and I'm still eating chips. Since I live in San Diego, obviously I'm gonna go to the beach. Also, if you don't want to be lonely and sad like right here, then I definitely recommend you take some friends with you and make it a beach day. If you have the whole day to kill, I definitely recommend staying for sunset because it's one of the prettiest things. And yeah, that sounds kind of cheesy, but I honestly love going to watch sunset and also take pictures. I'm so craving Starbucks. Just to be honest with you guys, I do not really go to Starbucks very often, but when I do, the sandwich is really bomb. DIY projects are super fun if you're into crafts and stuff, so here we were just picking out some items for Destiny's mirror project. Typically when I do DIYs, I really like to look at Urban Outfitters for inspiration because they have a lot of cute home decor. Guys, I love shopping, and it's a really good thing to do when you're bored because it can literally take up the whole day, but usually I never find anything, so it's usually a fail. Thanks for licking my dry knees. Okay guys, that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. Also let me know if you guys have any video requests. A lot of you guys like to watch my vlog videos, and I will keep daily vlogging. However, it's a little hard with the DSLR camera, like I'm not carrying that everywhere. Also, I'm thinking about doing a Q&A video, so if you guys have any questions for me, definitely leave them down below and I might do a Q&A video. So thank you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Wait a minute.